Hey financial planners, Rich Spence here from Mortgage Center Canada. Welcome to our blog post on bringing mortgage brokering into your financial planning business. We are a national mortgage brokerage firm and we get a lot of questions from financial planners exploring becoming a mortgage agent. And we put together this blog post that outlines all the information needed to really understand the market, who our organizations are, licensing, costs, compensation, lenders, and really truly lays all that detail out for you. So take an opportunity. The article is probably about a 15-minute read, maybe 20 minutes. So if you're a reader, have a read. But we really put this article together because financial planners have a unique opportunity when it comes to consumers. Financial planners see the total assets and liabilities of a consumer and mainly focus on today the asset side of that equation. However, there's always these liabilities sitting there, mainly their mortgage, where if properly managed or used in the overall plan for consumers, there's a real opportunity to help your clients gain wealth. And I know a lot of you out there considering how to get involved in that, but never really had all of the information involved. So have a read. If you're a reader, lots to read. If you like to talk, you can give us a call at any time. Our contact information's above. And if you have anything in here that's of interest, please let me know. I'd love to know. So have a great day.